Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a common question: how to update apps on Android. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover. 1. Manual updating. 2. Updating all apps. Let's begin. Step 1. Manual updating. Open the Play Store, search an app, tap Update, and repeat for 2 to 3 apps like you are feeding them some digital vitamins. Step 2. Updating all apps. Head to the Play Store, tap your profile, go to Settings, then Network Preferences. Make sure Auto Update Apps is set to the first option because who doesn't want apps to update themselves while you relax? Then go back to your profile, tap Manage Apps and Devices. Hit Updates Available, and if you're feeling extra productive, just smash Update All. And that's it, everyone. 2 quick ways to update your apps on Android: manual or automatic. Simple, right? If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips. And hey, when do you usually update your apps? Manually or let them update themselves? Till next time, keep updating and stay connected with Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.